Okay, hello everyone. Welcome to day number, I think it is 15 of this challenge or of this series. And today we're doing question number 2, and we were only going to do one question today. So yes, so let's get straight into it. So number 2, the mass of the spacecraft is 70 kilograms. Okay, 70 kilograms. And as the spacecraft takes off from the moon, the upward force on the aircraft of the engine is 500 Newton. The gravitational field strength on the moon is 1.6 Newton, kilogram meter per second. Newton by what am I doing? Newton by kilogram. Right, so okay. So determine the weight of the spacecraft. Okay, so let's do that. So number A. So the formula for weight is mass multiplied by gravitational field strength. I'm not gonna write that. Gravitational field strength, or I just say G. So the mass of the aircraft is 70 kilograms. And then the G, this looks like an 8. The G of an aircraft, and that would be 1.6 Newton by kilogram. Alright. And then we just multiply both of those numbers. I'll use a calculator for this. 70 multiplied by 1.6. And I will get 112 Newton weight. So this is the weight of the spacecraft. So the resultant force of the spacecraft. So let's try drawing the spacecraft right here. So let's draw here. So let's draw like a little spacecraft, a rocket or something, Alright, rocket. I'm sorry for bad drawing, by the way. I am not an artist. So the acceleration, the upward force of the spacecraft is 500 Newton, and the weight or the downward force is of the spacecraft is gonna be about 112 Newton. So the resultant force, RESULTANT, the resultant force is gonna be 500 minus 112. This will be the resultant force. So 500 minus 112. So I will just do that in my calculator, and I will get 388 Newton of resultant force. Alright, so let's go to number C. Now the acceleration of the aircraft. So we know the force and we know the mass. So we can calculate the acceleration using the Newton's second law equation. That will be F equals to ma. It's like the most famous, the second most famous physics equation, bro. Alright, so the force is 388 Newton. That's the resultant force. Mass is gonna be 500. No, is it 500? It's 70 kilograms. 70 kilograms. A. So to get A, you just divide 388 with 70. And then that will get about 5.54 meters per second square. So the rocket will accelerate with a 5.52 meters per second square acceleration. So guys, this will be it for today. So I will see you again tomorrow. So goodbye.